Hello there, just got a quick update video for you on my system. I had to take the door panel off, so I figured while I got it off I'll make a quick video and show you what I've done in here. I've got Type R components in the front. Here's a crossover. It's mounted on a bit of like spongy foam stuff just to keep the vibration out of it. I've used roof flashing for the sound deadening. Now that's been on there 2 years and it hasn't peeled off. Still well stuck there, that ain't going nowhere, and it actually does do the job. So it was a good little tip there from EXO, so thanks for that. And these are the rough as anything door pods I've made to fit me Type R's in. The original door speakers were in plastic pods, and then plastic pods were never going to hold them things up, so I made these up. Got sound deadening actually inside the door as well, and these are the little bad boys we've got for the front there. They're pretty heavy, got a massive magnet assembly on them, quite good speakers actually. The tweeter I've got mounted in the factory location. I did want to flush mount it, but I want to keep it stealth, so yeah, it's going there. Also I put the flashing inside the door panel as well, stop that rattling. You're always going to get a little bit, but every little bit you can do will help you out. This is the back of the amp rack, and these pieces I've put down here, here and here are to keep the power cables separate from the RCAs and speaker cables. Power cables going up here, RCA and speakers here. Power cables here, RCA and speakers here. Because when it's finished, they'll have a piece of wood across the front like that, and you won't be able to get to any of the cables once they've been threaded in. And you don't want your power and ground cable, well, your power cable, messing about, interfering with your RCAs. The other side of the amp rack here, it's going to have 2 PDXs in it, and that'll stand up like that, facing the back seat. Still got a bit of work left to do on it. Okay, yeah, system's starting to come together now. Got the bits in the boot, the amp rack there, sub box. Just marking out here with the masking tape where to cut the carpet. And if I go around inside the car, I can show you the inside of the amp rack. So the seats will drop down like this. If you need to make any adjustments. And your 2 amplifiers are going to be mounted, one here, one here. All the wires going in underneath here, channeling up behind here, and coming out under this slot here. The amps will be flush up against that. So I've cut the boot carpet, and it's got hardboard inside it. So what I'm doing now is just cutting an inch strip of the hardboard away from the inside of the carpet, and then I'll glue that edge back down, clean all the rough edges off, so it's a bit of a cleaner job rather than having it how it was and all wood sticking out and getting sawdust everywhere. Finally got the box covered, the subs in it, it's all bolted down there. Amp rack's in, covered. Boot carpet's cut, as you can see. If I can get it out, it's a bit of a tight fit, but get it out. And it's still got full access to the spare wheel. Slide that in. Just leave that right for a second, I'll show you inside. Sorry if the camera's a bit shaky. Pull the seat down. There's not a lot left to do now. Got the amp rack all covered. Just got all I've got to do now is cut holes in the carpet down here to pass the wires up behind the amp rack. And I've got this cover that will go in there, that's got to be carpeted yet. And that will just cover. First of all, you can see these PDX amplifiers. They've got plugs on them, so they're just a piece of cake. Once you've got these plugs on, just drop that in the back there. That's your speaker connected up. Power, ground and remotes. Plug again. Then what I've got to do is feed these cables up a bit. pre-drilled all the holes for the amplifier already. And I'll be doing these up with just a screwdriver, because I don't want to go in there with a drill and over tighten the buggers, because that's bad. I've got a plate that I'm making up to cover this bottom bit here, but the crossovers for the rear speakers there are just stuck in the bottom there, and I might, makes that look a bit better. Let's get that one in, tighten it up after. Yeah, so this system's taken quite a while to build, but we're at the end of the road now, and pretty soon I'll be giving you a nice little demo of this, hopefully.